Do you have an old computer lying around? Or do you have someone that has an old device that they want to refresh or make usable again, but you know that the operating system supported on that? It's probably like Windows 7 or 8 or something obsolete, unsecure. Why don't you try Chrome OS Flex? It's a very helpful operating system because it can be installed on very low-end hardware. We're going to scroll down. Okay. You'll click on Try Chrome OS Flex. Now, it'll say that you need to fill out this information, and we do not need to do that. We'll just click here and then click this. Create the USB installer, scroll down until you see the download for the image. You'll click that, it'll start downloading. Now, I already have it in my downloads folder, as you can see. I unzipped it by right-clicking and extract all. Then I have the ISO right here, or I guess it's not called an ISO, it's a bin file. So next, what you're gonna wanna do is go to Rufus. Rufus is used for making boot installers or bootable USBs. So you would download the one that's portable or the one that you have to install. I just used the portable one. We're gonna open up File Explorer. After you have it downloaded, run Rufus. It'll come up with the needing administrative privileges. Say yes to that. When you see this here, select and then select all files. Click that file, click open. As you can see, it automatically selected everything else pretty much. So we just need to start the process, and it will delete everything off the flash drive, so make sure you got nothing on it. Okay, after Rufus is done making that bootable USB, you'll see it right here. It'll look filled, hopefully. And now we're gonna go ahead and shut down the computer. Once the computer's fully off, go ahead and turn it back on and then start spamming the button to get into your boot menu. For me, it's F12. For Acer, and I think HP is Escape, and depending on your manufacturer, the button may be different, so you may have to look it up. Okay, your flash drive's gonna be named something different, but this is mine right here. There you go, it's finally booting up into the flash drive. Okay, now we're gonna go through the installer process. Click Get Started. The nice thing about Chrome OS is that you can just try it. You don't have to install it, but we're going to install it. Naturally, this will wipe everything on potentially all the hard drives that are on this, so make sure to back up your stuff. It'll erase everything. Okay, installation is complete. It's going to finish in 30 seconds and then shut down. Alrighty, once the device is completely off, you can unplug the flash drive and then turn the device back on. All right, this same looking menu will come up, but this time it will actually go through the whole setup process, like setting up your account, connecting the Wi-Fi, making a password, that type of stuff, and then you'll be good to go. This is very helpful when you have an old device that you know that has an obsolete OS on it, meaning not secure or anything. And what's nice, since it's Chrome-based, everything's already in the cloud. You don't have to worry about the device dying at all. Okay, have a great